Here's a video of the 2022 Bolt EUV LT. This car is equipped with the driver confidence package, which will include things such as park assist and lane change alert with side blind zone alert. This car also has the comfort package. Comfort package includes things such as heated steering wheel, leather steering, and heated seats. Nice design on the seats. This car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, wireless charging. You have a sport mode. Charge port.